G'day mate, it's JesterDundy here, and I am in the hunt for a rare diamond in the rough right now. I'm going to be searching high and low, land and sea, for this precious diamond in the rough product. Actually traveled outside the country to find this diamond in the rough. So I'm gonna take you with me on an adventure on search for this awesome product that I like to call the diamond in the rough. So let's go exploring together. Come on. I'm searching the jungles of Mexico to hunt for this product. This is a true hidden gem, and I'm willing to go as far as I can to search for it. We've came upon a small village, it looks like. There must be natives. They must know about this special, amazing diamond in the rough. Let me go search in there. It looks like the locals are not here, but I'm gonna continue exploring for this product. For this rare diamond in the rough. It's not easy, it's unbelievably hot in here. Let's continue to search. It's somewhere here. I just know it, I feel it in my bones. If I have to go in the ocean itself to find this amazing diamond in the rough, I will do so. I just have to be careful with jaguar, leopards, poisonous snakes and spiders. The things that I'll do to get this product. Alright mates, I'm having no luck here on land searching. So the search continues. I'm gonna look at it on land. I'm gonna head to the water now and search for this product, this diamond in the rough. Until next time mates, this is JesterDundy here. Since I had no luck on land, I'm going to attempt to do this venture here on sea. I have to wear my gear. I have to get my gear. So hopefully I have better luck on sea than on land for this product. As you can see, the waves over here are bashing on the rocks are really intense. What is my mission to find this diamond in the rough? Alright mates, I didn't find any luck in sea right here, but I'm here where the jagged rocks lay, right near the bay. I have a feeling in my bones that this product is here. This hidden gem is here. My experiences tell me that this product is here, lurking within these sharp rocks. I am literally risking my life and limb for this product. Where could it be? Crikey! We found it! The hidden gem right before my eyes. Renaissance man, look at this. Oh. Crikey! Look at this beautiful diamond in the rough. Finally find it, it's finally in my hands. Time for a review. going on, my bearded brothers, my brothers of the beard? It is I, the bearded Jester, coming at you live with another beard product review. Guys, I really hope you liked the beginning of that video with the whole skit. I actually traveled outside the country to make that video. I was actually on vacation with the wife, and I thought it was a good opportunity to do a whole video with the terrain, with the leaves, with the whole environment. I thought it was an awesome opportunity to introduce a new character to the roster, JesterDundy. I'm gonna be implementing a lot more characters to the roster, so I'm hoping you guys are gonna look forward for that. I know I am. There's gonna be different outfits, different looks. It's gonna be awesome. And as you can see, I'm kind of burnt. As you can see, I'm peeling on my head. My whole body is red and peeling. I actually feel like one of those retired 80-year-old women that do nothing but bask in the sun. So being that said, let's just jump right into it. So today's company we're talking about is located in Delaware, Ohio. Now that's a state I could spell. It's run by my man Alpine Jones. Why is he wearing a ninja outfit? Why are you wearing a ninja outfit? Whisper. Okay. You don't want to be seen, but you want to be heard? I respect that. I'll tell you right now, man, I love the ninja outfit. When I was looking through your Instagram, I saw an older picture of you in your outfit. Oh yeah, I got that picture. I got that picture of you. And bam, and it's right here. Look at that, man. You're looking good now, but back in the day, man, you're a fat ninja. But anyway, the name of this awesome company is BALM, Renaissance Man, Weekend Flannel. I'm gonna be totally honest with you, I don't remember the last time I wore flannel. Come on, man. Oh, well, I found a photo of you, now you found a photo of me? That was deep under my bed. How'd you find that? My reputation's in that line here, for Christ's sake. Put it away. All right, let's just make pretend that you guys didn't see that. But anyway, let's go into this awesome product, what I like to call a true diamond in the rough. This scent I have before me today is called Weekend Flannel. I can tell you right now, the first thing I noticed about this company, I would say, is a heavy medium weight oil. It's not quite as thick as Artist Man's oil, but it has the most heaviest, I would say, medium you could get without being super heavy, if that makes any sense. This oil alone helped me out in the rough terrains of Mexico with the sun beating on my beard, with the sea salt drying up my beard. This was actually the only product I used that whole 5 days. And I can tell you right now, it helped out a bunch. It not only protected my beard from the effects of the environment around me, it actually protected my skin from looking like this. So that's right, I actually put this on my body when I had a sunburn and actually relieved the pain as well. Because as you know, oil is not really meant for your beard, it's meant for the skin beneath your beard to nourish it and you know, promote healthy, you know, growth or whatever like that. And I was like, you know what, let me just put this on my skin and see what happens. So I put it all over my shoulders, my traps, my chest, and etc., etc. And it really relieved the pain and the tightness of my skin from looking like an 80-year-old groom. Do I recommend this to use this on your body? I'm not sure. It works for me. Everybody's skin is different. I truly just recommended it just to use it on your beard. I was actually desperate because I needed something to relieve the pain. But what's awesome about this product, it has amazing ingredients. It has a list of ingredients. Allow me to read. It has sweet almond oil, apricot canola oil, if I'm saying that right, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, some essential oils. It has a great clear color, but like I said, it has a nice thickness to it. When you rub it in, oh man, it is, you can feel the thickness of it. It feels great. And it has that light cologne-y scent. It's nothing overpowering by any means. It's a real light, subtle, fresh smelling scent that surprisingly lasts a long time in the beard, being the fact that it's a light scented oil. Maybe it has to do with the thickness of the oil it maintains in the hairs of the beard and in the skin beneath your beard. Now, this beard oil that I'm using right now is one of my true gems of use, my true gems in my collection, I should say. It is true top shelf, top notch beard oil. And what's awesome about it, just came out with a beard balm. I can't wait to actually use the beard oil and the beard balm together. I could only imagine it could make the smell that much better. I'm telling you, put this on and you're a single guy, you are attracting all the ladies, guaranteed. Oh, your money back. You guys should definitely check out his website as well. BAM is right over here. Instagram as well. You guys can email him as well. He does write back. I love companies that actually write back right away. The links to his social media and his website will be down below. That's all I have for you, my bearded brethrens, my brethrens of the beard. Thank you for rocking with me. I'm going to be implementing a lot more awesome skits coming soon. I have a lot more reviews to be coming soon. They just keep piling up. Put a lot of effort into this, a lot of passion and ideas and brainstorming. But I'm out, guys. I love you guys. It's been real. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and hit that thumbs up. Love you guys, and I'm out of here.